Hello friends, I am Swapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a very interesting composition. At first, we have to complete the layout properly. After that, we can start the final drawing. Friends, see, here two ladies are going to the market with goods. So friends, at first, we have to complete the layout properly. After that we can start the outline. See the layout. We have to complete the layout within second. Okay friends, see, now we have to start the layout. Now we have to start the outline. We'll start from first figure. See the front figure. We have to complete the outline properly. See the drawing. We have to complete the step by step hard drawing. Okay. Now see. Now we will start the goat. See the goat's drawing. It's a very simple drawing. In this way, we'll complete the another goat also. So friends, see. Here we can start the background also. So this composition is a very common composition. Now we have to complete the whole background also properly. Okay. Now see, now we can start the second lady. First lady and second lady both are not same size. Both have some distance. So we have to find out the distance properly. See, just try to find out their particular place. Second figure, from where you should start the second figure, and from where you have to end the second figure leg. Okay friend. Now friends, see, almost our drawing is completed, and I told so many times that if you need any help you can contact with me, and if you want to learn painting and drawing with me you can contact. Okay friends, and I request you that if you want to learn drawing properly or painting, you should try again and again. Okay, and in this way we can learn so many things. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends, with your relatives. Okay friends. Okay friends, now our video is completed. In this way you have to complete the drawing.